Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to utilize and find the reversal firm effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go to Effects, Video Effects, Retro, and then scroll down to find Reversal Film Effect. So we're going to first get rid of this one and then click and drag it down to the timeline. And now we're going to kind of scroll through it to check out what it does. Now we're going to bring it to the beginning of the clip and elongate it to fit the entirety of the clip. And now what we can do is go up to the special effects tab and we can mess with the color of this effect, the filter of it, the strength of it, and the texture of this effect. So we can add more clouds, I guess, on top. So let's take a look. Well, guys, that's the reversal film effect. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.